Hey guys, how you doing? Tony here. Before I start the video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/ but I'm not a trader. So I will be answering a question that I get fairly often, which is kind of weird. But is it but in front of you you have the S&P 500, which is, arguably the most popular stock in the entire world, right? This is essentially the stock market. When people think of the stock market, they think of the S&P 500. But the question is the stock market open during the weekend? And the direct answer is no. I sometimes, when I get this question, it is kind of I don't know what that is. It is kind of weird when people ask me that question, but I understand that a lot of people don't even know anything about the stock market. They don't know anything about how to invest. They don't know anything about what even TradingView is, what even they're looking at right now in the charts. So it doesn't really cross my head a whole bunch because I've been doing this for a bit, and I just kind of assume that other people have like the basic knowledge of understanding these things. So I will probably start in investing for beginners, kind of series where I kind of show you guys, oh, this is a stock, this is a channel, this is your basic supply and demand zone, your basic support and resistance. This is the S&P 500. This is TradingView. This is where you go to, if you want to trade. This is where you look at where the market's going. If you want to look at news, this is where you go for news, things like that. So I never really kind of, pondered that question because, I didn't really think about it too much, right? But I never really, I always kind of assumed that everybody knew a little bit of investing. But I think like 99% of people actually don't really know anything about investing or stocks or the stock market or even cryptocurrency, right? Cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, is actually open for trading on the weekend, by the way. So you guys can see here, right? Ticker is obviously moving. You have that little, like the 10-minute sign. You have the little blue thing all the way up here. You know how it's like moving, right? 96, 97, whatever. So that's open. But again, this never occurred to me. I never really sat down and thought about it, but I will be starting just a general series on what investing actually is, what stocks are, what FANG is, what big tech is, medium tech, low tech, or small caps, what indices are, things like that. So again, I've had this question before, but I've never really thought about people asking this, right? I just kind of assumed that everybody knew, right? So yeah, but yeah, the stock market is closed over the weekend. You can't trade. It's open Monday through Friday, PST time, which is my time. It's open from 6:30 to about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. If you're in New York, it opens at 9:30 and it closes at, I think, 4 o'clock in the afternoon if you're running on Eastern time. So yeah, have a great weekend, everybody. I hope everybody's excited for the Super Bowl tomorrow. I will see you on Monday. Bye-bye.